I'm Brett at GuideWise, and I'm going to show you how to use your Magnifier app on your iPhone to zoom in on very small text that you might be struggling to read. If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too. So first up is you're going to open your Magnifier app. You can scroll down in the middle of your screen and type in MAG and find Magnifier to open up your app. Now let's say for instance this keyboard right here had really small text and I couldn't read it. You're going to then use this zoom slider right here to zoom in very closely onto that text. And the iPhone does a really good job of keeping things generally pretty free of distortion and pretty easy to read. Now for a better example, I've got this small text on a packaging right here, and man, that is really small. So if I zoom in with this, I can get it nice and large so I can actually read this particular text. You can see EN means English, so I can read up to a triple display. Then you can zoom out, you can zoom in really far, and then if you would like to, once you're zoomed in, you can click the capture button to take a picture, and then you don't have to keep holding your phone at that particular distance. You can also use the reader button right here, and now it puts it into very plain text for you instead of just using the image that it took. And now you're all set. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.